Welcome back. Hi, I'm Patty. It's segment 3. I am building the Beachside Bungalow Dollhouse made by Real Good Toys from a kit. This is the first time I've ever made a house from a kit. I have refurbished several, but this is a real challenge for me, and I appreciate the opportunity to show you. As I discussed before, we're going step by step with the directions, and I'm going to walk you through. But first I wanted to let you know, first thing it tells you to do, of course, we get everything assembled, get your tools, make sure you're safe, you have what you need. You know, if you have solvent products, wear gloves, mask, ventilated room, etc. It tells you to finish the floor. I'm going to do that with a polyurethane one-step polyacrylic shade, light shade wood. Then it says to do the rail assembly. I'm going to skip that for now because I wanted to test the house and see how I'm going to put it together, and that was quite a challenge. We have the long sides and the middle for the base, and there's a ridge you can see right here, and it fits nicely together. So what they suggest is put it together, glue it, tape it, let it sit tight. Then the confusing part, I'm just going to bring things up to show you. I have not finished the floor yet. That'll be the next thing I do before I glue everything together. We're going to just simply lay the flooring on. There are no instructions to tell you what else to do until you get further into the instruction manual. And what I found was there's actually a porch floor that will be going on once the porch is put together. And so basically the next thing we're going to be able to do is we're going to be putting the side walls as well as the front, and you tape those together to make sure they fit. And there's just a tiny beveled ridge on the walls, and the reason I'm doing this before I paint or varnish, I have heard that people have made the mistake of going ahead and painting all the way to the edge of the floors, and the next thing you know, it won't fit in that tiny beveled edge, cut out edge. So that's why I wanted to check to see how far I should go on my floors. And what I am going to do is I'm going to leave a little bit of a space around the perimeter of both floors with my paint and my varnish, so you'll have a nice fit on the walls. The next thing we'll be doing is gluing all the walls together and taping them. You put a weight on it, so obviously it has to be in a sturdy place to keep it together, and let it dry for 24 hours. And I'm going to be doing things a little bit out of order because I am missing part of the porch, and I'm missing the divider attic wall. Well, I have it, but it's broken, and I'm missing another piece. Real Good Toys has been wonderful. They are mailing the items to me. I just don't know how long it will take. But in the meantime, we can be flexible and do the other things. As soon as I get this done, I will show you what it looks like, and I appreciate your coming by. Hope you have a great day.